Guidelines vary by country, but the shared message is surprisingly similar. Reduce what harms the body and protect the basics every day. Smoking remains one of the strongest risks for early death. Alcohol is safer when reduced, and for many people the best amount is none. Most guidelines recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week and muscle-strengthening activity 2 or more days a week. Even if you exercise, long sitting time still matters. Stand up and move briefly every 30 to 60 minutes when possible. Vegetables, fruit, whole grains, beans, nuts, and fish are emphasized. Limit processed meat, excess sugar, refined starches, and ultra-processed foods. After midlife, maintaining muscle becomes central to independence. Fish, eggs, tofu, beans, poultry, and yogurt can help cover protein needs. Most adults need regular sleep around 7 to 8 hours. Very short or very long sleep can signal health problems worth checking. Preventing cardiovascular disease often matters more than finding disease late. Follow blood pressure, HbA1c, triglycerides, LDL, ApoB, weight, and waist size. Long-lived communities often share walking, modest eating, and strong social ties. Family, friends, neighbors, and community routines matter. Colonoscopy, stomach screening when relevant, blood pressure, diabetes, lipid checks, dental and eye care, and age-appropriate vaccines complete the plan.